Beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today that was in slow motion. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to bring your old jewelry back to life. Now this goes with just one ingredient, and you are going to absolutely fall in love with your jewelry all over again. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, I've got a silver set here and I've got a gold set. And if you look carefully, it may look shiny on camera, but like actually in real, it's actually like dull. It's really dull, and like the pearls and my little teeny tiny cute thing here is like kind of fading, and the crystals are not so pop anymore. With this gold one, this is my favorite one. This is a heart. I think one of the years when my boyfriend and I first started dating, he got me this. So I really like it because I like keep it close to me. So I want to be able to wear this like a long period of time. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do to keep my jewelry alive. Now, you're just going to need one thing, and that is toothpaste. Now, toothpaste, you can use any brand. I've tried all the brands, and I've been doing this for a really long time, for like a good few years. So what you're going to do is just take this jewelry in your hand, open up your toothpaste, put on your toothpaste like this. I'm using the Aquafresh toothpaste. Then you do that. Get some water in your hand and rub it. I know this looks so gross. So, and you keep rubbing for like a good few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, just continuously like keep rubbing. If you feel it's gone dry, get some more water. And continue rubbing. Okay. There's a towel. Okay, so I've got a towel right here, so it's easier. And now you're just going to keep on rubbing. Now it's going to look like this, full of bubbles, like how you brush your teeth. Something like that. Keep on rubbing. So yeah. Now I think I've been rubbing for like a minute or so now. Let's just give it a few more rubs. So I don't suggest you actually open it and rub, because like when you're going like in all different directions, what happens is that it tends to get tangled. So I've got my dish of water here. Just gonna put that in, wiggle it around, put it in. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna wipe it down here. And it's as good as new. This is super shiny. Have a look at it. Super duper shiny. It even smells good. Okay, so now moving on to the gold one. Now, when you're working with things like this, like super long ones, I suggest you move in very slow motion. So same procedure, take your toothpaste in your hand like that, wet it a little bit, take this, put it on your hand, this, and very gently, because this is a long chain, you don't want it to get tangled up in this whole mess. So here you go, you can see it's already getting tangled because I'm moving in slow motion and not opening. So you move in slow motion like this. I've got the whole chain in my hand, so move like slow motion, then pick it up and check if it's tangled. Once again, slow motion, and pick it up to see if it's tangled. As you can see, it's getting tangled. So you just gotta be really careful. So guys, it's been about a minute now that I'm busy doing this. So what I'm going to do is just drop it into my bowl of water that I've got down here. Now I'm just going to wipe this here. The thing is not to use too much of toothpaste. Just go in with a dot of toothpaste, and then when you see you still need more, you can go back in and do more. You can also do this repeatedly to see better results, but like this is what it looks like. See how shiny? Like even this part is shiny. So this is my video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.